2021 will be my 25th anniversary at the University of Toronto's Faculty of Dentistry, and my career here is similar to many of our other faculty that received training abroad but chose Toronto for their professional careers. My reason for joining this faculty was the immense breadth of academic activities that allowed me to develop my own ideas under very supportive mentorship. Our faculty is indeed outstanding in all aspects. An undergraduate program that produces 120 graduates annually, including 24 foreign-trained dentists, a choice of 10 clinical specialties for graduate training, and a research program with great breadth and depth that is closely integrated into the university's landscape, which facilitates collaboration, discovery, and translation. The University of Toronto's Faculty of Dentistry has long been a training hub for many of today's leaders in dental education worldwide. The opportunity for literally unlimited professional development in all areas will certainly continue to attract the most talented individuals and produce future leaders in research, education, and clinical practice. It is my sincere pleasure to announce that the Gies Award for Achievement Academic Dental Institution goes to the University of Toronto Faculty of Dentistry.
The University of Toronto, the Faculty of Dentistry, is the largest dental school in Canada with the largest research wing. So the unique culture of this faculty is the integration of advanced research and dental practice and education.
The Faculty of Dentistry at the University of Toronto has made important contributions worldwide to dental education, first of all through its contributions to research in some important fields that are critical for oral health, such as periodontology, orthodontics, prosthodontics, as well as various diagnostic sciences.
We transformed the foundation of dental education by integrating biomedical and clinical sciences in an oral health relevant context.
So I would say one of the major advances and contributions to what the Faculty of Dentistry has done is to instill in its graduates, both at the undergraduate levels and the postgraduate levels, the idea that there's always much more to learn and that you can ultimately be a better and better dentist by keeping that attitude that we don't really know very much and we can always learn more.
Our desire is to generate new interdisciplinary knowledge for education while laying down strong platform for research-based technology in dentistry.
I think the most important are the people who work in this faculty. I think that's the reason why this faculty can be the leader of the dental education and has the honor to win this award.
I am truly honored to accept this award on behalf of the University of Toronto's Faculty of Dentistry. Our school has had a long history that has been true to William J. Gies' vision that dentistry, as a learned profession, must have its education based in a university. Now, the role of universities is really quite simple, as we really only do two things. We pass on knowledge, in other words, we teach, and we create knowledge, in other words, we conduct research. I feel so privileged and proud to be part of this institution that has demonstrated sustained excellence in scholarly activity that has advanced the profession and had an impact on dental education. Over many years, there have been numerous individuals who have made a difference, which include names such as Dennis Smith, George Zarb, and Barry Cecil, to mention only a few. And today, we continue with outstanding faculty, both those who are established and those who are at the beginning of their careers, so we know that the future is bright. On behalf of the University of Toronto, I wish to thank the ADEAGies Foundation for this honor.